Hello again. In the previous video, I showed you how to expand your blocks menu by installing a custom block plugin. That was a plugin fully dedicated to creating custom WordPress blocks. Now, there are also plugins that are focused on other functionalities, but offer blocks as an additional feature. For example, the WooCommerce plugin is dedicated to helping you turn your site into an e-commerce website. As an additional feature, it also adds some blocks to your blocks menu. Similarly, Yoast SEO takes care of your SEO. But it also adds some structured data blocks to your blocks menu, like, for example, the how-to block and the frequently asked questions, or FAQ block. These blocks contain structured data. That's why, when you use them, your content has a better chance of appearing in search engines as a rich result. So, if you use the how-to block, you may get this kind of results. Note that right now the how-to rich results get displayed only on mobile and not desktop. And with the FAQ block, your content may appear like this in Google. Okay. Let's go back to our post and see how we can use the Yoast SEO Structured data blocks. To find the blocks, I click on the plus to open the blocks menu. Then, I scroll to the end, and I find the Yoast SEO Structured data blocks. I click on the header, and there I have the how-to and the FAQ blocks. I'll quickly show you how to do the how-to block first. I add it to the post. And now I can add a description and start writing the necessary steps. For each new step, I just need to click on the Add Step button, and that's it. I don't need this block in the post, so I'll just delete it and add the FAQ block. I click on the plus again to open the blocks menu and go to the Yoast Structured data blocks. Then I select the FAQ block, and it's added to the post. The block is quite straightforward to use. As the text here says, this is the field where I add the question, and below it is the field for the answer. I have the texts ready, and I will copy and paste them here. Okay, I'm done. I think I can add a heading above so it's clear that this is an FAQ, and that's it really. And that's it. As you saw in this video, the block editor is not limited to the default WordPress blocks. There are also plugins like Yoast SEO that have a different primary purpose, but that also add blocks to your blocks menu. Not only that, but you can add structured data in the block editor, as we do with the Yoast SEO blocks. That increases the chances that your content will be found. And that is just one more reason to love and use the block editor.